What's going on, guys? GeoSnowRate here. So in today's video we're going to talk about KeenLab+Pangu8 iOS 10.3.2 jailbreak that is apparently very popular right now on YouTube if you take a look, and we're going to see whether it's real or not. And yeah, I make this video since a lot of you have been asking me to make it after I made the video about YoYippie channel and his iOS 10.3.3 presumed jailbreak. Anyways, if you want to learn more about this YoYippie guy, he's definitely fake, but check out in the description down below to see. But today we're going to take a look at this channel in here, Cydia Magic. You pointed out to me in the comment section of that video about this this channel, which has over nearly 10k subscribers. I mean 10,000 subscribers for this jailbreak videos. Let's take a look at how many views he has. He has over 2.5 million views on this jailbreak videos. Let that set for a moment. Anyways, we're going to take a look at this thing because on 2.5 million views, I'm pretty sure that a lot of people tried the links in here. So let's start analyzing our things in here. We're talking about this jailbreak in here, but moreover about this one in here, which is in fact the same thing, is the same dude behind these two channels, Cydia Magic and Z Jailbreak. You can see Z Jailbreak has way less subscribers in number of subscribers. It has only 1.7k, but it's still a lot. You're going to see why. So I got a link from you on Twitter on a private message. I'm not going to disclose who sent me the link and asked me to review it. But anyways, you can see it has 34k views. Of course, likes and dislikes disabled, so that should put you off already. Anyways, you can see he is using KeenLab jailbreak application, which looks like the real jailbreak application demoed for, of course, iOS 10.3.2 and 10.3.3, I guess, and iOS 11 at MOSEC 2017. So the KeenLab jailbreak is definitely real. The application looks similar to this, but it's not this application. We're going to get into that later on. And it's definitely not a public application. This KeenLab application doesn't exist publicly. It's only, of course, held private by Lion Chan and the Tencent KeenLab, which is a InfoSec company. Okay, so with that said, let's see what is this video about. So he presses jailbreak on this application, which is apparently a jailbreak app, and after that is bypassing AMCC. He took all the labels from the official presentation. I'm going to show you, and the device at some point will restart itself and result in a jailbreak. It says done, and you will see it magically restarts the device, and yeah. After it restarts, he is going to be jailbroken and have Cydia and so on. I'm going to show you at some point in time he shows Cydia running and so on. So is this jailbreak real? The same thing happens in here, but he exposed himself without knowing, because let me show you something. You can see in here we have a white background on the top. This is looking exactly like the Tencent KeenLab's application for the jailbreak, but it has this this white background in here. Let's check out the original. Here is the original, and as you can see, it doesn't have anything to do with any white strip in there. And if you take a closer look in here, the font is also different on the Lion Chan of Tencent KeenLab. Also, the alignment in here is definitely different. If you take a look on his application in here, the font is completely different. On the Lion Chan part in here, you can see the font is definitely completely different compared to the one from the original application. And compared to the original application, he has that white strip in there, which, you know what it means? It means the application he is using is actually made in HTML. It's actually a website simulating an application, which is called a web clip, that you can actually pin to your applications, and it looks like you have an app in there, but you can easily recognize it since it has that white strip, because you cannot customize that thing in there, unfortunately, in a web clip. So that puts you off. But let's check the links. Whoops, no links. Anyways, if you take a look in here, he does provide a link. He uses the same application, but you can see during the entire video, he is not showing the top part of the application, probably not to show the fact that he has that white strip in there. Here, where it does show that, it's a completely different channel. It's smaller, but it's still his channel. So let's take a look at the link then. It says check Pangu8.com jailbreak 10.3.3 page to get the iOS 10.3.3 Keen download links and other related guides. Okay, you want to do that? This is the page, Pangu8.com jailbreak 10.3.3. It says Pangu jailbreak, so it's definitely completely misleading and makes you think that this is the official Pangu website, when in fact it's not. Official Pangu website is english.pangu.io for the English version or pangu.io for the Chinese version. And they do not have any sharing buttons on their webpage either. You can see he points out in here the KeenLab jailbreak, in here, Keen jailbreak. The Keen team just released jailbreak for up to 10.3.3 beta. They have demonstrated this jailbreak at MOSEC 2017 conference. Read more about it in here. Yes, that is true. They did demo that at MOSEC 2017 conference, but they did not release anything. Let's go through the claims. So it asks you to download some crap, which is going to be a Pangu installer.exe. I tried to download that and I checked that out in a VirtualBox. It's definitely nothing related to any jailbreak. It's just some scam. But then if you go ahead in here, you can see it looks something like this. Guide to install the jailbreak apps on 10.3.3. And then you have some kind of IPA and stuff, which isn't, again, nothing related to the jailbreak. And then you have install Z jailbreak, which made me realize the fact that Z jailbreak channel, which is in here presenting the same 10.3.2 jailbreak application, and this channel Cydia Magic are completely related, and they are of course held by the same dude behind this fake Pangu website in here, which has been going on for ages now. In fact, I think it's actually quite old, and nothing in here resembles anything a jailbreak. But anyways, you can see he shows some guides on how to get the jailbreak, and you can see the official picture is in here as well. So he's definitely trying to make this look as legit as possible. So my idea about this is that you should not try it, even though he has over 9.1k subscribers and 2.5 million views for fake jailbreaks, for fuck's sake. Even though he has this big numbers in here, do not try his jailbreaks. It's definitely nothing released. I'm going to put the link in the description for the real KeenLab team, or Tencent KeenLab team, on Twitter if you want to follow them. And if you follow them, you're going to see whether they release anything or not. But of course, if they did not release anything on Twitter, of course they did not release any IPA, let alone to give it to this guy in here only. Try to stay safe. Try to follow the official teams. I'm going to link the official Pangu team Twitter in the description. I'm going to link the official Tencent KeenLab Twitter in the description so that you can follow them on Twitter and, of course, stay safe. Do not try this Pangu8 thing. It's not going to happen. When they will release that jailbreak, if they're going to release that jailbreak, and I'm talking about Tencent KeenLab, I'm pretty sure 100% it's not going to be only on Cydia Magic channel. So this is actually it, guys. Thanks for pointing me out to that thing, and I really hope I made things clear in here. Till the next time, I'm GeoSnow. Peace out.